driving this amazing machine, BMW E38. Feels so good right now.
Давай, давай, давай. Пойдет. Оп. Оп. Alright guys, we're about to work on the rear end of this car. Gonna take the wheels off and replace the control arm. Started fluid filming some of this area. Gotta finish it up. And then this is the only rusty spot on this car, so we're gonna take care of that tonight as well.
A few moments later.
Okay, so loosen this up and now working on that, and it's a bit of a pain. Оп!
Давай, давай.
Давай, давай, чумав! Еще! Чумав! Еще! Чумав! Big говно. That's still okay. Nice. О, есть. Еще потяни туда на себя. Все. Все. It's easier to install this side first, but then you're going to be struggling with that bolt, so that's why we did it this way. This is still original BMW shock. That's really cool. Okay, so we can tighten this all the way, but this one we're gonna tighten that bolt all the way when it's on the ground fully.
1 hour later.
Давай. Умеете, могете. Yep. All right, guys, the car is on the lift. We're gonna go ahead and tighten up those control arm bushings that we installed. Let's take a look what happened here. What is going on here? Okay. Something is broken, or something is not right. Okay, so you actually have to loosen this nut right here in order to adjust this cable a little bit. So right now, once this is adjusted, we're gonna kind of pre-close this and then see how it opens up. Just gonna support that, I guess. See, so you have to put this top piece on first if you want to actually test it out. So with one hand it's kind of difficult to show you, but you have to like push down on this, try to pull on it. Okay, so I gotta adjust it back a little bit more to find that sweet spot for it. Try that again. Just a little more. Alright guys, we're done working for today. It's almost 2 a.m. but we did a lot of work to this amazing machine. We just finished tightening the rear control arms, and let's quickly recap of what's been done, and yeah, we'll continue probably tomorrow. We have like a few more things to do on this car, but not much. So we changed this left tail light. It used to look really bad. Then did those two rear control arms, and then another thing, fixed up this the situation with this trim piece and also the seats, so now they're all working. All right, it's pretty amazing. And then this is also working now. Steering wheel. A lot of work's been done to this baby. It's an amazing car. We're gonna put the center caps later on.
All right, guys, we're going home right now, and I'm driving this amazing machine, BMW E38. Feels so good right now, actually sitting pretty high or pretty far from the steering wheel. It's like we couldn't move the seat before, but right now it's awesome. It's just so comfy. Man, this car is so smooth. Lovely machine. Look at this. Look how clean this car is. We still have to do some detailing on it, but just, man, it's awesome. We just changed those rear control arms on this thing. It just feels super smooth and quiet and great. Oh yeah, just gotta enjoy it now.